My little stars, hope you all are enjoying well, studying well, respecting all your elder ones, loving everybody. You all are doing? Yes, you must do. You must follow your teacher. Whatever that ma'am is saying, you have to do. Okay. So here today we will study subject computer. Okay. That one is on your page number 20, chapter number 4. What's the picture is there? What are you seeing? It's what? One part of a computer. That one is called keyboard. And the chapter name is what? Keyboard. You can see here on this board also. What your ma'am has drawn here? Keyboard. What the use of keyboard or the computer system? Do you know it? Why we use that keyboard? Just to write, just to type. How we will type on the system? We need a keyboard. Then after we can write, we can type the messages, the matter we want to write. So with the help of only keyboard we can write on the system. Okay, in your notebooks you write with a pen, pencil, but on the system we need a keyboard. Here you can see that on the keyboard some alphabets are there, Q, V, W, A, like all alphabets are there. There one side you can see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 like that. So and here on the keyboard a biggest key also. So what are these keys called? What are the names of these keys? I'll tell you today in this chapter. Okay. Now look at the keyboard. A board has a number of keys. A board is having that many keys here. Many types of. Now you can see that it's written A, Q, L, D like that. What are all these keys called? So these keys are called that. What is called that? Alphabet key. What's that? ALPHABET. So ABCD is what? It's alphabet. ABCD is what? Alphabet. You know it. A to Z is alphabet. So that's why these letters on this keyboard are called alphabet key. What do we call that? Alphabet keys. Okay? Where these letters are written A, L, T, P, Q like that. So these are the alphabets. So that's why these keys are called on this keyboard. What is called? Alphabet keys. Okay. Now next you see here some numbers also written here. 1, 2, 5, 3, 0 like that. So what are all these called? These numbers are called number key. These numbers are called number keys because numbers are there. Okay, that's why it's called number key. These are number keys. These are number keys. Here you can see that a biggest key. That one is called space bar. SPACE space BAR bar. Space bar key. Why do we call this space bar key? When we type and we write there on the screen, then how can you give that space? With the help of this key only. Suppose you have written alphabet and then you have to write key. So how will you write key? Just one space, then you write key. When space, then you write key, spelling of K-E-Y, key you will write there. So space bar helps to give the space between the words. When you write a sentence, so that one gives a space. That's why it's called space key. And with the help of these alphabets, we write the matter. With the help of these alphabets, we cannot write. So that's why these are called alphabets. Alphabets key. With the help of alphabets we write, if you say that I am, so we write I, we click I, then space, then am, then what? Boy, B-O-Y. One word, B-O-Y, boy, then again space. So, or you can put a full stop there. So, then these keys are called the alphabet keys. With the help of alphabets, we write words, sentences. Okay. Now, and if you want to write that 1, 2, 3, 4 and just like number 14 and 12 in between your messages, your matters. So how will you write? These numbers how will you write? With the help of number keys only. Okay. Number keys help us to write numbers. Alphabet keys help us to write alphabets, words. Okay. And here the space bar key is that helps to give the spaces between the words. Okay. So that's why these keys are very important on this keyboard. Okay. You can see here if you are having the keyboard at your home, you can see, you can watch that very carefully that these alphabets are written there. Somewhere it's a Q, somewhere H, L, I, J like that. In jumbling manner it's written there. But these are called that alphabet keys because alphabets are there. You can see the numbers on that. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So these are the number keys. Alphabet. So alphabet keys. It will be easy to learn also that keyboard having the 3 types of keys. One is that alphabet keys. Second is that number keys. And third one is what? Space bar key. Just because space bar is one key, so we cannot say it's keys. If you say keys, it will be wrong. Space bar, one key, so that's why we will say space bar key. Alphabets, many, so that's why we say alphabet keys. Numbers, many, that's why we say number keys. We put S there. But with space bar, only K-E-Y key, no any S will be there. Just because one key is there, space bar. On this keyboard, you can see only one space bar key. Not many space bar keys. So that's why it's one, so it's key. Space bar key, alphabets many, alphabet keys, numbers many, number keys. Okay, so this way you can learn carefully so your spellings will not be wrong. A space bar is one key, that's why space bar key, alphabet, many keys, so that's why it's a keys, that number, many keys, that's why number keys. Got it? Now, here some exercise also given in your book. I'll tell you how to match that. So that way you can match also. Alright. So one side that keys picture is there. Another side, the opposite side you see that keys name. You have to match with that. Correct one. Correct matching you have to do. So do it with me and do it yourself also. Just try to do. Yes, you can just understand ma'am is writing what? Writing, making keys, and you can easily identify the keys. I've taught you the biggest one, and here written Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, S, A, Z, N, D, W like that. So this is what? Which key name? Name the key? Alphabet keys. This one is alphabet keys, and the biggest one key is what? Space bar. And here numbers written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So these are number keys. How will you match it? Now you see there. First spelling alphabet. Spelling of alphabet A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet keys. K-E-Y-S. Why? It's a keys, many keys. So match the alphabet key with alphabets. Right? Next you write number, N-U-M-B-E-R. You have to learn spellings also. Number, K-E-Y-S, keys. Why keys? Many numbers. You match that number keys. Here, space bar. S-P-A-C-E, space, B-A-R, bar. It will be keys or key? Tell me now. It will be keys or key? Key. Just because it's one space bar key on the keyboard. That's why it's called space bar key. Alphabet keys, number keys, and the space bar is 1. So that's why it's called space bar key. Got it? You can see here this in your book also, the matching. I'll give you that worksheet also that you can do easily in your book. If you just understood all that I've taught you, you can do it yourself also and match it that with the ma'am's work. Now, page number 21 you see here. Next, alphabet keys are from A to Z. Alphabet keys are from A to Z and they are 26 in number. On this keyboard, A to Z alphabets are how many? 26. A, B, C, D. If you count that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, A to Z if you count. You just write and count. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So how many all these alphabets? 26. How many alphabets? 26 alphabets. So that's why you can just, this way you can learn numbers. Also how many these keys? Alphabet keys. How many? 26. And how many alphabets we study? A to Z. How many all are these? 26. That's why 26 alphabet keys you can see there on that keyboard. It's there. You can count yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Now, next activity you do, that's very interesting. That is what? Coloring. Color this keyboard. Okay. You can just color it yourself. Alright. Page 21. Count all these alphabet. How many all these? Count it yourself. These are 26. And here next activity you have to color the keyboard. Page number 22 you can see here. Yes. Number keys are from 0 to 9. How many number keys? You just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And here this side also 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. That reverse. No, it's not reverse, it's the jumbling like 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 and 0. So this way from 1 to 0 the number keys are 10. Okay. Now color the number keys. Here what to do? You have to do this activity coloring. Color the number keys. Now page number 23 you see, space bar key is the longest. So on that keyboard, which one is that longest key? Space bar. Now activity you do yourself. Now label the keys in the keyboard. Now look at that. This block is what known as, first you will fill here that with this orange or red color, it's their block. So this block is what? Indicating where? To alphabets. That's why it's called alphabet key. You will fill here alphabet. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet. K-E-Y-S. Keys. You have to label the keys. Now next you see that numbering. Indicating the numbering with the green color is showing what? This red, and here this green showing what? Which keys? Here you will fill number keys. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. K-E-Y-S, keys. Here at the bottom you see that middle side indicating which key? Space bar. What will you fill here? S-P-A-C-E space B-A-R, bar, space bar. Got it? Now just do next exercise. I think that's very much clear to you. Where there are these alphabets, you will just write for that alphabet keys. Where indicating the numbers, you will write their number keys. Where indicating with that one longest key, that will be space bar. Now exercise A you see, put a tick for the correct one. So it is a longest key on the keyboard. Option A is right, option B is right, or option C. Here you can see that picture, longest one, this option A is right. So you have to take that option A. Okay. B wrong, C wrong. Option A you will put right. Now open page number 24. There you see that it is an alphabet key. Option A, B. Option B, number. Option C, space bar. So for alphabet, where will you take? Option A, where it's written B. Where it's written B, this one is that. There you will tick there. Option A. You will tick there option A. B and C will be wrong. Now, pick and write the names of the following keys on keyboard. Here blocks are there. First you write for these alphabets. What will you write there? Alphabet keys. Exercise B. Here you write A, L, P, H, A, B, E, T, alphabet. K, E, Y, S, alphabet keys. So what will you fill there? Alphabet keys. Now next you see the picture 1, 2, 9, numbers and next that 0 is there. What is our called these keys name? Tell me now. Yes, number keys. So next you write in the blocks number Number. Number. Keys. Keys. So why it's called keys? These keys are many. So that's why alphabet keys and number keys. And this longest one is what? One key. So that one is called, what's the name of this key? Space bar. Yes, you're right. You will write here space bar. S-P-A-C-E. Space bar. B-A-R. Space bar. Key. K-E-Y. Why it's key? Because that one is that one, single one. That's why it's key. So you will fill here accordingly the spelling. Okay. Now here you can see that page number 25. Color the alphabet keys with blue. Just please carefully listen. Alphabet keys with blue. Number keys red. Space bar key green. You have to color this keyboard just using these given colors name. Okay, by using these given colors name. Alphabet you color with blue color. Number keys with red color. Space bar key with the green color. Okay. Now, next exercise, now count and write number of keys in the blank spaces. So, alphabet keys how many? How many keys are the alphabet keys? First one, you will write number 26. Number keys how many? 10. Space bar, how many keys? 1. Okay. So this way you will fill your exercise. I'll give you the worksheet to do. Just again this chapter, watch carefully, read carefully, go through that keyboard also if they are at your home. If not there, you can go through the book picture also. You can just easily identify that these are alphabet keys, these are number keys, this one number keys, this one is that longest space bar key, and that way you can learn spellings also. You must know the spellings of all, okay, and spelling of keyboard also, the very important part of the computer system, okay. So thank you class, study well.